Okay, so the last class we were discussing on the finding of what? The radius of a atom. Hydrogen atom oda radius kandupidichom. Enna kandupidichom? 10 power minus 10 meters. Correct? Okay. So inniki what we are going to do is we are going to find out the energy of the orbits. See, basica Bohr's atomic theory தான் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். Bohr's atomic theory ல அவர் என்ன சொன்னாரு actually? So each and every individual electron is going to revolve around the nucleus in discrete energy levels அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, ரைட்டா? அப்போ நம்மளோட அல்டிமேட் எய்ம் என்னவா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா how the energy is going to be for each and every individual atom, the orbit and also the electrons which is present. So we are going to find out what is going to be the energy of an electron. Okay, and for that what we are going to use is we are going to use the radius of the atom. Okay, so what was the radius of the atom? R was equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m k z e square. Yes, so this was the formula for radius. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to find out the energy. Okay, so basica energy, total energy என்னவா இருக்கும்? நம்ம ஸ்டார்டிங்ல நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா kinetic energy and potential energy ரெண்டு இருக்குன்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோமா, ரைட்? ஏன்னா வந்து ஒரு ருதர்ஃபோர்ட்ஸ் அட்டாமிக் தியரியிலேயே கூட பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபா பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் நியூக்ளியஸ் கிட்ட வந்து ரிட்டர்ன் போச்சு. ஸோ பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி அண்ட் கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி ஷுட் பி ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்த்தோம், பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் ரிட்டர்னிங் பேக். ஸோ எவ்வளோக்கு எவ்வளோ பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி இருக்கோ அவ்வளோக்கு எவ்வளோ கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி இருக்க போது, பிகாஸ் எனர்ஜி கன்சர்வேஷன் ஆஃப் எனர்ஜி. பட் ஹியர் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த டோட்டல் எனர்ஜி. ஸோ டோட்டல் எனர்ஜி என்னவா இருக்கும்? பேசிக்கா total energy is going to be what? Potential energy plus kinetic energy. Correct? What was kinetic energy actually? So kinetic energy was half mv square, which was equal to according to that equation. Okay, so it is nothing but kZe square by 2r. Okay, kZe square by 2r. So அது எந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் அப்படின்னா இதோ இருக்கு பாருங்க. So இந்த mv square இந்த சைடு போயிடுச்சுன்னா you get mv square is equal to kZe square by r, right? Yes, so இதில் 1 by 2 multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா you'll get that. So half mv square will be equal to kZe square by 2r. That is nothing but the kinetic energy of an electron. Okay. And how about the potential energy? Again, we found out using that electron which is revolving around the nucleus. Correct? So, the potential energy enna kandupidicheenga? K Ze into minus electron divided by R. Rendu charge la hydrogen atom da eduthirkom. Correct? Whatever may be the atoms, that is going to be calculated based on that, substituted based on that, right? For hydrogen, it's going to be 1. Okay. Anyways, it's going to be what? K minus kZe square by r. So we are going to find out what is going to be the total energy. Correct? So total energy for entire atom. So it is going to be En. Okay, so En will be equal to what is this? So kinetic energy plus potential or whatever you take, because it's going to have a denominator of 2. So kZe square by minus. Okay, so plus kZe square by 2r. So it is going to be what? Minus 1 plus half. Correct? Minus 1 plus half is going to be minus half. So it's going to be minus kZe square by 2r. So this is going to be the energy. So you know what is going to be R. Correct? You know this is going to be R, right? So substitute that in this equation. So what will get? En is equal to what you got? Minus kZe square by 2r. Correct? So what was R? R is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m k z e square. Can I substitute that inside this? So what will get? Minus k z e square by 2 into n square h square. Correct? Yes? Multiplied by 4 pi square m k z e square. Correct? So can I cancel whatever that gets cancelled? What you get? Which one will get cancelled? Yes, 2 will get cancelled, right? Otherwise all are going to be same. So what you'll get? You'll get minus 2 pi square, right? And z square m k square e power 4. Correct? Denominator by denominator n square h square. எல்லா வேல்யூஸும் போட்டாச்சா? k z e power 4 m 2 pi square. So this is going to be En. Right? In this, what you can do is, you know very well all are going to be constants. நல்லா பாருங்க, pi constant, z atomic number constant, mass of electron is constant, k constant, magnitude of charge constant, Planck's constant. The only variable is going to be what? N, because it varies based on the atoms. So an atom can have 1 orbit, 2 orbits, 3 orbits, whatever may be, right? Yes, so n is going to vary. So except n, all are going to be constant. So I'm going to take that out. So what will get? Minus 2 pi square z square mk square e power 4 divided by h square. 1 by n square. Right? For hydrogen atom, n is equal to z equal to, okay, so z equal to 1, n equal to 1. So for hydrogen atom, z is equal to 1, n equal to 1. Okay, for hydrogen atom, right? So then if n equal to 1, then e is equal to, n equal to 1, so e1, right? So what you'll get? Minus 2 pi square, z square is going to be 1, and m k square e power 4 divided by h square. So substituting all the values in this, what you will get is, you will be having minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joules. So whenever we are mentioning energy in terms of electrons, we will always mention in electron volt. So when you are converting that, you will be getting minus 13.6 electron volt. So this is going to be energy for first orbit. If it is going to be for n orbits, then what will be there? Instead of n equal to 1, you will be just having it as n. So En will be equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square electron volt. So this is going to be the energy of n orbits. Okay, so this n value will be very less for the orbits which are very closer near the nucleus. Nucleus சுத்தி first orbit very close la, right? அப்போ first orbit n is inversely proportional to n square. அப்பனா n கம்மியா இருக்க எனர்ஜி அதிகமா இருக்குமா? Yes, பேசிக்கா தானே, right? பட் இங்க எப்படி நான் நெகட்டிவ் சைன் இருக்கா? Yes, so minus 13.6 அதிகமா இல்ல அதுக்கு அடுத்து n equal to 2 substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா what you will get? 4. So almost you will be getting it as 4 na 4 3s are 3.4 வருமா? So minus 3.4 பெருசா minus 13.6 பெருசா? Minus 3.4 தானே. So as you move away from the nucleus, the energy level increases. The energies increases. Okay, so அதனால தான் higher energy states எப்பவுமே வெளியில சொல்வோம், lower energy states எப்பவுமே உள்ளுக்குள்ள சொல்வோம். Which means nucleusக்கு அடுத்து இருக்கிற first orbitோட energy level கம்மியா இருக்கும், lower energy states. வெளில போக higher energy states. புரியுதா? Because it's going to have negative sign in it. Is that clear? So this is nothing but energy of an atom or a electron if it is going to be n equal to 1. Okay, இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் we are going to evaluate spectral series.